In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock people on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Once the app is opened, tap right here on an iPhone to head over to menu, on an Android, menu button located at the top right corner. Once you are at menu, tap at that gear to head over to settings, and then on settings scroll down all the way until you find blocking. Here it is, just in the audience and visibility section. Tap at blocking and it will show us all the users and Facebook pages that we have blocked on Facebook, and that's where we can unblock any user or a page simply by hitting at the unblock button, just like that. Then hit at unblock to confirm it, and as you can see, the user I've unblocked has just been removed from that list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.